What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of R&D Garage. Today I am driving in the van and we're gonna go pick up a new car. I mean, you saw the title, we got a new car. What it is, you're about to see. We'll find out. Van is clean for once, pretty exciting. Tires are on the tire rack. If you saw the tire, that's the rim and tire that's going on this car, you would know what kind of car it is. So you'd have a good idea anyway. But we're gonna go pick up a new car. First, I gotta pick up Peter because I will tell you this: whenever you're purchasing anything, really, especially on Craigslist or Facebook or whatever, make sure you always have a buddy or a friend with you, especially if you're meeting at the person's house. You know, you got cash in your pocket and you don't want to go there by yourself. I don't care how strong or tough you are, you know, if there's 5 people, you're screwed. So make sure you always pick up a buddy. And I don't know how many times I've picked up Peter and I've told him, like, I literally just called him 5 minutes ago and I was like, yo, I need to go like an hour away to pick up a car, and he's like, I hate you. But he'll still come because he's my friend and he prefers for me to be safe than to let me go by myself. I know, he's gonna miss all those games of Apex. What's up, Dennis?
What's up, man? Long time no see.
I'm ready to buy a car.
I'm ready to get rid of it because I make bad life decisions.
No, you don't. This is a good car. I mean, it happens to everybody, all right? It happens to the best of us.
And what happens to the best of us, it was high mileage, the head was leaking from the valve stem seals.
Yeah.
It had a major leak from the rear main seal. So I just didn't watch the oil. Remember, kids, check your oil.
Yeah. Fun fact, the first car I ever owned, I rod knocked because I didn't watch my oil.
Same here. It's the first car I've ever knocked from not checking my oil.
Yeah, so there you go. But here's the car. It's another NB. I'm pretty excited. As you guys may know, I used to have an NB. Now I have another one again. It has rod knock, so I got to pull the motor and fix that. And hopefully you guys will be there through the process of that. I'm really happy that I can get back into one of these chassis. It's a nice, clean chassis that Dennis has been taking care of. So I'm pretty excited about that. It used to have a nice big wing, but I'm gonna keep it like this. Dennis says it starts. It just has some funny noises.
Very funny noises.
Let's just see what it sounds like. The AC's on. Oh, it doesn't have an exhaust.
Give it a rev after you start it. Don't rev it out immediately, just kind of let it run.
Yeah, she ain't happy. But she runs, everything's there. That's the most important part. So Dennis is gonna keep this sweet intake because he's gonna put it on his next project. I know you're gonna get it back into the Miata game. I know
Eventually.
you. Exactly.
I just need a daily driver for right now.
Yeah, Dennis used to have the sickest NB. So,
While we're at it.
but then he went from the NB to an S14. This is a sick car too, though.
This is why I don't care to keep this.
Yeah. This is the new Drift Life.
Bad decision.
Nah, that's a good decision. It looks good too. That's how you know the rest of it looks good. Nice. But I know he'll probably get back into another Miata for a daily just like me.
I will.
So-
We all come around.
Exactly.
The internet isn't wrong. Miata is always the answer, but
Exactly. I mean,
just this one isn't the answer for me.
Miatas are the bomb. And you guys will be there for the process of me taking apart this stuff and fixing it. And this makes sense because I have to paint the G, which I haven't done because I need a daily. I was gonna, daily the van for a while and kind of rush the paint job. Don't do that. I don't want to rush it. So now I'll daily this and we'll be good. All right, the car's on the trailer. We're ready to go and take it to the shop and tear it into it. And I'm ready kind of, oh my God, that's a lot of work. But we'll get it done.
That's how I feel about it. It was a lot more work than I have time for.
Woo! Oh, that was good again. I was looking at the camera. Peter, you sort of helped, I guess.
I was here.
Yeah, you're present.
Getting fucking disturbed by mosquitoes.
Yeah. Got out of work. There's some daylight today. Justin's here. While I show him the Miata, I'll show you guys. I haven't really seen it well because it was dark, so. S13's back here hiding away. Right? Doesn't it look so good? I don't think you guys could see it yet yesterday, but the lug nuts are red and the car is blue. So this whole setup right here looks really good together.
Peace.
You out?
I'm out.
It's not a right-hand drive though.
Alright.
So you guys saw the engine bay, nothing special in there. It's the same NB. Let's go inside. What you think?
It's sick, man. Super clean.
Right? Everything's here.
Crap.
Yeah, look at this radio. It's like a double-din touchscreen. Let's see. Yeah, we can probably listen to music.
I gotta get me one of these.
Look at that. It's a Bose.
It even
audio.
came with safety glasses.
Yeah.
Safety first, guys.
That way we can work on it and not die.
Safety first.
Play some music. Connect your Bluetooth. Mode.
Put
the window down. Oh, your window go down? Oh, hit the window.
This? It even came with a relay.
Yeah. Looks like the passenger window don't work. Driver does.
It's alright, we got relays.
Yeah, maybe that's the. Nah, I hear the motor. I think the wires was probably broken. Nope. What's this? I wonder if it has a CD in it. What's this?
I don't know.
Oh, maybe the
your light here
microphone.
is purple?
Yeah. Maybe the microphone.
Bro, why are you trying to put the windows down?
Testing everything. I haven't done this at all.
Put the top down.
Oh, we gonna put the top down?
Yeah.
There's a tree though. There's a tree.
Get off, tree.
The tree's oh no, don't get the leaves in here.
There we go.
Oh wait, the glass is caught.
Oh sh.
There you go.
There we go.
Alright, look at that. We're in a convertible. This is the best part about the Miata. Bro, we gotta get this working.
I'm a hacker, bro.
Yeah! Oh! We're listening to music in the Miata.
Wait, put your volume up on your phone. Up.
Oh wait. Yeah! The interior's pretty good, but let's see what else is in the trunk. Oh! Putting the top up. Oh, we gotta put the window up too. Wait, hold on. There you go.
Yeah.
Look at the back of it. Looks really good, nice and clean.
Hey, that window's open.
That's alright. Just gonna open. There it goes. Oh, would you look at that? It's a full interior. I've never had a full interior in the trunk. It's got a jack. There's a tire in there? A spare tire? I don't know, lift it. Oh shoot.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a spare tire in there.
Yeah.
Nice. Batteries right there. Color's nice, right? Yeah, I think that's one of my favorite things about it is the color. I love that dark blue. Looks so good. And it goes well with these wheels. Can't wait to delete this gap right here. Oni, what do you think? What do you think of the new car, Oni? It's a good car, huh? You like Miatas too? Feel your hair in the wind? Pretty excited, guys. Looks so good. Got a nice car cover on it. Not gonna be working on it right now, so gotta protect it. What do you think of it, Justin?
It's pretty awesome.
It's good, right? Ready to go. Good daily.
To get it on the road.
I know, it's gonna be awesome. This is gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys like it. New car, new work, new things, more content. You know how it goes. I told you guys I would be back in a Miata eventually, and here it is. There's a good chance. Just hopped in my lap. And I'm gonna take care of it. It's undercover right now because I have other cars that I gotta work on. I have to finish the Z, the clutch went out, remember that, so I gotta drop the trans and figure that out. The S13 right here, I gotta finish that. It needs an alignment, it's almost ready to go. It needs to get retuned. I want to get it more street drivable, and in the cold it doesn't really run very well, so this is going to be something else. I got to work on it, and then I'll focus on the Miata. So little by little, this is the first step, which is getting it, and then from there, you know, we make more content. I'm pretty excited to show you guys more of this, and maybe we could do like a drive out to like Taylor's house or something and Miata hang again. It's gonna be fun. So thank you guys for liking, watching, subscribing. Goodbye.